time on
Get
Baked, we're going to show you what happens to a cake when it is cooked in the oven.
English pound cake dates back to the Middle Ages. It was a pound of flour, eggs, butter, and sugar. As a result, it was a delicacy as the batter was very difficult to mix by hand. Cakes became more mainstream after 1910 due to innovations in oil and flour processing, giving rise to the cake as we know it today.
Cakes are the ubiquitous part of birthday celebrations. This tradition dates back to the mid-18th century in Western Europe. Marble cake.
Pound cake.
Angel food cake.
Devil's food cake.
Yeah.
Apple cake.
Cupcake. Frog cake.
Chocolate cake.
Okay, go.
Black forest cake.
Butter cake.
Cause, there we go.
Oh, we got cheesecake.
Coffee cake.
Fruit cake. Lemon cake.
Is it going? Ice cream cake. Opera cake.
Sesame seed cake.
Upside down cake. Chemistry connection that can be made to cake are the gas laws. Water vapors inside the cake expand as temperature rises.
The first stage of baking is called expansion. The batter reaches its full volume because the gases inside the batter expand due to heat.
We've reached the second stage of the baking process, which is called setting. The risen batter sets into its permanent shape, and the egg proteins coagulate. Starch granules absorb water. They swell and jelly as a result.
The third and final stage is called cake browning. Not only is our cake getting a great tan, the batter solidifies. Flavor-enhancing reactions occur when the cake shrinks slightly. It is time to remove the cake from the oven.
The technique we used for baking the cake is called the toothpick method. To determine the doneness of the cake, we inserted a toothpick into the mass of the cake and then removed it. If the toothpick comes out clean, the cake's done. On the other hand, if the cake batter sticks to the toothpick as it is removed, the cake would require more time to bake. The record for omelet making is 427 two-egg omelets in 30 minutes, held by Howard Helmer.
Did you know that in 2001, scientists found sugar in space?
Great. This time on
The first stage of baking is called...
See you guys later.
17,000. The first stage of baking is called expansion. The gases inside the batter expand due to heat. Water vapor forms air cells. The lattice structure forms as there is no airspace.
Come back.
The first stage of baking is called expansion. The batter reaches its full volume because the gases inside the batter expand. You can't be doing this.
Action.
The first stage of baking is called expansion. The batter reaches its full...
keep going!
Water vapors inside the cake expand as... Elaborate.
Now I see it. Go.
Did you know that in 2001 scientists found... Did you just clear your throat?
Oh.
Right now?
I've been filming for 10 seconds.
Chocolate cake.
Oh.
God.
Go.
Cheesecake. God damn it.
Go.
Fruit cake. Did you just talk over me?
I'm trying to say go. Alright.
You can.
What? I'm not ready. Ah.